neighbors, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerry Ellen, and in today's video I am going to be cooking something yummy from this cookbook that was given to me at Christmas time from my mother-in-law. And this is a cookbook from Cape Breton Island, Nova Scotia, Canada. The lady on the cover is Mary Jeanette McDonald, and I'm going to be making the honey garlic chicken from this cookbook. So thank you, Mom-in-law. Love you very much, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, neighbors, let's give this recipe a try here. It looks so fast and so easy, so let's do this. Let's do this. Bring you over and down a little. There we are. My boneless, skinless chicken thighs were quite small. The recipe says to use like six boneless, skinless chicken thighs or chicken of choice. Okay, so mine were quite small, so there's like 8 pieces in there. So to this, in my crock pot here, I'm going to add a half a cup of ketchup, honey garlic chicken. Honey garlic anything, actually, in Canada is quite popular. A half a cup of soy sauce. I'm using a low sodium soy sauce. 1/3 cup of honey. I love this little thing, man. It scrapes everything out so nicely. Okay, 1/3 cup of honey. 4 cloves of minced garlic. Let me start mixing that up a little bit. And I'm going to use some dry herbs here. Half a teaspoon of oregano. Use a tablespoon of dried parsley. Now, I didn't spray my dish, so hopefully I don't have a hard cleanup time. We'll soon find out, won't we? Okay, so you can put this on high for 3 to 4 hours or low for 4 or 5 hours. So I'm going to put it on low, but this doesn't really have like the adjustment so much, so I'm going to come back in 4 or 5 hours and check the chicken, see if it's cooked. Internal temperature of chicken, you like for it to be around 165. Okay, neighbors, it's been on low for about it's been on low for 4 hours, and it's done. I checked the temperature of the chicken, so it's done. So we're having it with some beans. Anyway, we're having it with some green beans and rice. Look at the color. It looks nice. The color looks nice. I'm gonna bring these down and put a little bit of juice on there. And I'll give it a little tasty poo. Let's see. Nice. I like it. Anywho, there you have it. Nice and easy, quick and simple. Take care. God bless and keep a good heart.